So family, this is a prototype here that I built for these lids. I'm gonna show them to you. So we have to bend these about an inch, and have to bend these about an inch and a half. Stick it in there, bend them up. I made a easy, push it all the way, line it up. Make sure it's all the way in. That way somebody else can be able to do this, and they can duplicate this. Very easy process. And these are lids. I'm gonna show them to you. I'm gonna show you the lids. Lids for a fire pit. Any one of the fire pits. Got these taken care of. This is what it looks like. And all I gotta do is weld them to the bottom of them. Hold on. Build products. That's how you make things happen. Generational wealth. The Rich Welder ebook coming soon.